Georgia, and today I got special guest Maddie.
I'm looking at this.
He's the one that did the haul and the blind bags, and today I'm doing my most favorite thing I wanted for my birthday. This.
The Rarity boutique.
She's in the house. Okay, so on the back, just shows cartoon form. She looks weird. Like, look at her face. Blah.
Oh, and there's also headbands.
There's a human on the cover. Okay,
There's a human.
Now we need scissors to open this freaking thing.
There's a human.
Where are the scissors? Maddie, where are the scissors? Let's find the scissors.
Let's find the scissors.
You're not even helping.
No face.
Oh yeah, here we are. Okay, now we just need to jam this box open like it's a piece of fudge. Oh my god. My arch mini.
Julia, is he cute?
Oh jeez. I try to do it like Jacksepticeye does. Okay.
Yum soda?
No. No. Yum soda's like perfectly open.
Oh, I love the little doggy. Did you get more?
No. That's the LPS I got.
No, did you get more little ones?
No.
I didn't see the ferret or the doggy last time.
Dude, you got the ferret and the doggy.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I mean these.
What do you mean? Oh, yeah, it's probably buried in there. Oh, yeah, I got it open. I'm trying to open the top on it.
I need to be playing with this.
Oh, God.
I'm going to be playing with the doggy while you struggle with that.
I struggle with boxes. Like, this is my first time opening a big box. Like, this is my first time. This is my first time opening a big box, people, and I'm like 10.
I love this doggy. I love it.
Okay, struggle lessons with Jewel Jammer. Oh yeah, finally everything. I'm trying to get the cup. Did you see my? Oh yeah, here it is. Here's Rarity. It's cute. It's cute.
Where did the doggy go? Do you see the doggy anywhere, Julia?
Exactly. Is that on the motorcycle that you saw?
No, the dog. Like, it's not. No, it's like an old LPS. It's a brown dog. Do you see a pet in here? Julia, do you see a pet in here?
There.
Oh, I love him.
Oh my god, I have these things again. Time for scissors, guys. Wiggle it down, wiggle it. Get up, man, Rarity's hair's like so messy. This is like messing already. Okay. Maddie, do you know how to take these things out? Remember we had struggle last time with the fudge knife? I'm trying to get these things out. I hate these things. Even Yum said I hate them. Like, if I met her, she'll like feel a sister to me. But I already got a big sister. That's a middle head. Yes.
I'm gonna play with this.
Okay, I hate you guys. I thought they stopped doing this. I thought they stopped doing this. Oh wait, this is the same reason I got that fudge with this stupid thing.
I will take all of you for a ride now.
I will clean the walls now. I vacuum the walls now.
I will take all of you.
Dang,
I'm literally gonna take all of your LPS for a ride now.
That'd be cool. Struggle lessons with Jewel Jammer. $1 million Rarity.
Not quite 1 million.
I don't care. My prices.
I fell down into this dark and lonely hole. There's no one to care about me anymore. I needed a way to climb out of the hole. From the end. This one's so cute! I love it.
name him Water Toaster. Like, he's like actually a funny tuber.
Where did you get all of these little LPS?
My aunt.
Wow, your aunt got you a lot of them.
Yeah, she thinks I like LPS, but yeah.
You don't?
I do, but she's like, yeah. Oh, I got it out! Yay! Her hair is so messy.
And all of you.
Look at her eyes; they're so spread apart. Like, let me show you the Rarity I have. Like, yeah, oh no, Rarity, guys. Like,
on the edge, you were sitting there.
Sorry. Okay.
Holding the rope, go up, 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 and over.
Look at the difference between them. You can see. Look at the difference.
Which one's new?
This is a new one. You can probably tell which new.
Someday we'll take that little ride. Go up, 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 and everything will be alright. We'll go up, 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 and we'll fly a little higher. Go up in the clouds because the view's a little nicer. Up here will be longer. I watched his life lessons. Not life lessons. His life story. It's so sad. It made me and Eva cry.
Sup? Okay. Yeah. So we got.
Oh, my nose is running.
I think a lot. Like I'm sick.
No, I am sick actually.
Okay. I didn't miss it. Okay. Where are the glasses that popped off of her? Oh, here they are.
I fit 3.
Oh my god. Her glasses are supposed to be red, not blue.
I'm trying to fit 4 more babies somewhere. I'll get it.
4 more babies. Oh, that looks so cute. That's mint. That's like an Ulcera.
I'm gonna try to fit all
Look,
of
I'm
these.
so freaking vegan. So, we got a ruler and glasses. Now we're gonna take the thing.
Look, the babies are crowding this
Oh, here's Rarity.
Sitting there.
Holy. Holy.
Higher.
Yep. Whoa, comes with these standees. Cool. Ooh, that's what standees mean. So we got Rarity's boutique. It actually says Rarity's boutique. It says right there, Rarity's boutique. It's open to the book. So we're gonna open this with the freaking. Oh yeah, there's a whole one right here.
Sitting there, holding the rope.
How many times are you going to sing that song? It's a sad song and an annoying song because everyone sees sing it. Come on, Rarity's boutique.
Go on a second.
Boutique. I said boutique. I keep saying boutique. I just call it boutique. This is more funny.
Okay, penguin needs to sit somewhere. All of you babies need to move because the penguin needs to sit here.
I gotta stretch more. Stretch. Ow! I got scratched.
Can any more fit in here?
Oh, here it is. Okay. So I can close it.
No.
And also, guess what? It's a grab and go.
Look, all of them fit in here.
Oh my god, this is so freaking detailed. And I already know that because I watched the reviews on it. Look how detailed that thing is. It's like the show. It's like looking in the mirror of the show. Like, I'll show you like real images of the cartoon between the toy. So we put this thing, and then it can.
All of you guys are going for a ride.
So this is why it's called a boutique. So boutique is like you have scenes like this is the designer room. This is the spa room, and this is Rarity's bedroom.
Cool.
Now, so we got other outfits for Rarity, like cute, because it's for each thing. It's like for a room, for the designer, which I got here, and some other accessories. quite so like the set. This is a pretty good set. I stabbed a hole through the accessories. Ooh, she got a robe. Which I already know. You can easily slip. I hate this Rarity. It has no style on it.
Kitty! Oh, I love you, Kitty.
Okay, look it. This is how the robe works. Look, she has her robe on. And here's a little bath and perfume bottle. Look at the little bath. I can put some water in this. And
Do you have any more LPS? Because I can fit them in here.
No. Oh yeah, there's one more in there.
I know what.
Harry.
I mean, any more than this.
No. Ooh, we got a little rack. I forgot about this. Like, there's a little rack that you can put clothes on.
You actually do have more. You have 2 more.
We got a little design table that a pony can stand on to be a model. Look at that.
Don't you remember what you got for your birthday?
Oh my god, she comes with cucumbers.
What?
She comes with cucumbers. Okay, we're gonna put these are for the spa, I think. You know what will go good with this? How many times are you gonna sing this song, man?
I love this sloth. Does this sloth creep you out?
Yeah. It's like you can like see the pig. Okay, look at this is her spa outfit. This is her spa outfit. Yeah. That's her spa outfit. Oh jeez. This is disgusting.
You have spikes.
Yes, I got 2 spikes. One is missing. Ooh, we got one.
What are they like?
So we got Rose for the spa. They can't unconnect because that'll be awesome. Here's her little sleep mask. Oh, that's what it's for. Okay.
We're gonna tow the motorcycle away.
Oh, you gotta build this.
Look, we're towing the motorcycle away. No, I'm serious, Julia. Look, we're towing the motorcycle.
No, like it. Okay, here's the standee that you can put your dress. Look at the dress. So
we are towing the motorcycle.
Man, this looks ugly. How about this one? This looks more uglier. How about we put this on?
Ugly. This is cute.
We gotta put this on. Oh my god, she looks like a fat lady. Okay.
A
dress? No, that's for Rarity.
No, look. See?
She like Faye. Man, her hair's up.
See?
That's not how you put on those things. It looks like a bra, but...
Can I have this?
Yes. I don't keep boxes.
I love this. It's so cute. I could use it as an LPS bedroom.
Yeah, it's cute. Like the mattress should be like over there.
No, the mattress is gonna be right here.
Oh yeah, that's what I said.
I'm gonna see if... Yeah, look, the LPS actually fit on it.
Yeah, tiny ones though. The tiny ones like me.
Tiny ones, yo, see it.
Wow, I love this set.
Yo, see it.
Yeah, this spent 30 minutes blowing it. Thank you for watching Reviews with Maddie and Julia.